Oh my god! It's you! My slave! Yes! My slave! I haven't seen you in ages! Yes! My slave! You're finally back! Oh, yes! Now you can finally scratch me all over the place again. Yeah, scratch me. Scratch me. There. Oh, that's good. That's good. Finally. Now, come here, slave. Come here. Slave! Come here! Come here, slave! There we go. Yes. Finally. I can sleep on my slave pillow again. Wait, what's that? What's this? Ah! What's that? Oh, it's you. Damn slave. Whoa. Hey. No, stop. I'm eating my bone, damn it. Stop. Okay, slave. Now you're going to make me food like the king I am. Okay, I want the best meal ever. Yes, dog treats. Yeah, okay. It's right in there. Just get it up. Oh, it smells good. It smells so good. Oh, okay. Hey, don't spill it, boy. Okay, it's okay. I can eat it. It's a little raw though. Okay. How long must I wait? Is it ready now? Is it? Is it ready? Ready now? No? Okay. Now? Okay. Thank you. You want the boy, huh, slave? You think I'm gonna get the boy? The boy is mine. You can't have it. I'm too fast. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna go with you. No. You eat the arm. No. Let go of the ball, slave. Let go of the ball. Let go of the ball. Give me the ball. The ball is mine. I'm stronger than you, slave. I'm stronger than you. Got it. Got it. Oh my god. Do you smell that? It's Rosita. Oh god. Rosita's been here. Oh yeah. This is her. Oh my god, she's hot. Okay. I gotta pee. I gotta spread my smell. She's gotta know I'm here. She's gotta hook me up. And we're gonna do a thing, you know. Yeah, gonna spread that all around. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yes.